Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Transcription number 416 at a speed of 100 word per minute. Be ready. Start. Sir, in this list of the various causes that led to the crisis which the textile industry was facing, only the fourth had anything to do with the September policy. The other three had nothing to do with the policy of the government but had everything to do with the efficiency of the management of the textile industry as such and their desire to get larger profits even at the risk of inviting consumers' resistance and thereby leading to the accumulation of stocks with the industry. Because the committee has concentrated its attention mainly on the policy of the government of September 1986, they have not been able to diagnose more fully the reasons that are responsible for the accumulation of stocks, and still more important, they have not been able to give any recommendation regarding how the accumulated stocks can be disposed of. Sir, in this report and the various recommendations of the committee, there is hardly any mention of this problem, namely the problem of disposal of the stocks which have accumulated with the textile industry. Another reason also has been given regarding the accumulation of stocks with the mills. According to the committee, the accumulation with the mills is largely due to what they call the drying up of the trade channels, because the offtake from the mills has dwindled and the accumulation with the industry of stocks has increased. At one point, they make a rather startling statement when they say that if one were to compensate for the decrease of stocks with the trade, it would be found that there would be no accumulation of stocks with the industry at all, which is in excess of the stock normally with the trade. In other words, there is no problem, according to this committee, of the accumulation of stocks at all. It is merely a question of the distribution of stocks between the industry and the trade. If some means could be found whereby the trade can be encouraged to take a larger share from the industry, the problem of accumulation would be automatically solved. That particular recommendation deals with larger credit facilities to the trade, and it is almost taken for granted by the committee that if larger credit facilities are given, the trade will have a larger offtake from the industry and the problem of accumulation will be solved. Stop.